Number 2. Zodiac Ranger Suction Side Automatic Above Ground Pool Cleaner. If you're in the market for a game-changing pool cleaner, then the Zodiac Ranger Suction Side Automatic Above Ground Pool Cleaner is the one for you. Let's break down why it's considered the best in its class. First off, the Ranger is equipped with a unique deflector wheel that prevents it from getting stuck on obstacles, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. This feature alone sets it apart from other automatic pool vacuums. Additionally, the Ranger's base disc allows for smooth gliding along the pool's surface and easy navigation in tight corners, providing a comprehensive clean without any hassle. The quiet operation of this vacuum is also a major plus, as it eliminates any annoying noises associated with pool cleaning. What I love the most about the Ranger is its skid-free performance, which makes it safe and efficient for use in above-ground pools with dished-out bottoms up to 72 inches deep. This design ensures that every inch of your pool is thoroughly cleaned without any issues. One thing to note, however, is that the Ranger may struggle with extremely large debris. While this is a minor setback, it's important to keep in mind if your pool tends to accumulate larger objects. Overall, the Zodiac Ranger Suction Side Automatic Above Ground Pool Cleaner outperforms its competitors with its unique features, quiet operation, and efficient cleaning capabilities. If you're looking for a reliable and effective pool cleaner, this is definitely worth checking out. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.